thank you to the people over at Better Tech for sending over this sample of this retractable baby gate. We are expecting, so this is something that is going to come in extremely handy, and I am excited to get it installed. So as you can see, it just opens out to 55 inches. You put it on the doorway or whatever it is that you need to install it on. We're actually going to install it on our stairs, so it works well with our stairs. You can see the cat door right there, which works out extremely well. The zipper is on this side here that you can see to zip it open, zip it closed. We have two cats, so that's going to come in pretty handy. You can open it with one hand. I'm going to show it installed here in a second. I'm not going to put it, I haven't decided where I exactly want to put it yet, so I'm going to put it temporarily installed on the unfinished part of my basement. But it has this locking mechanism up on the top, so right now it is unlocked, so you can open and close it, and then when you want to have it locked, you just twist it, and now it's locked. It's not going to go anywhere. Then when you want to unlock it, you can just lift up and twist back, and now it is unlocked and you are good to go. It is scratch resistant, which is going to be nice, especially because my cats are, I will be interested to see how they handle this. We do have a cat door down here, so I think that cat door will work for them, but I'll be very interested to see how that works for them. But stay tuned here. I'm going to kind of show how it's going to be installed. Basically what you're going to do, it comes with these different screws and then the hooks that go onto the wall to attach the hooks to. But I'm simply going to measure out how far these are apart, and then these just clip into place here like that, and now it's clipped into place, and this will be screwed into the wall, so it'll just clip, slide right down into place, and then yeah, then you're good to go. So I'm going to get working on that. Stay tuned for the second part here. Now we get into actually installing it. So I have the little plates that go in the top and the bottom, and they have little 3M stickies on the back, so you can take off the paper and then you can attach it to the spot on the wall that you would like it. So it makes it nice and easy. I know in my video, my first part of the series here, I talked about how I was going to measure it. Actually, I was going to make it much harder on myself. The product makes it much simpler, which is awesome. So they stick right there on the wall, and then I can drill 2 in the top, 2 in the bottom, and then I'm good to go, and it's exactly where I want it to be, because I set it there to start with, and then I could just pull it off to have the 3M stick do its job and screw it right into place. I'm going into the wood, so I don't need to use the anchors. So it's, if you were going into drywall or anything, you would need to use the anchors. Clips on top, and then you can move it and clip it on the bottom. Now I'm ready for the second part, where I pre-drilled holes once again, and I was able to sit into the wall on the top and the bottom, just pull the wheel out exactly where I wanted it to kind of measure it. So you can see there, it attaches nicely to the first clip. Now I'm going to do the second one, so I attach it where I want it. It'll mark off where the holes need to be, pre-drill, and then after I pre-drill, I'm able to then attach the bottom part again. Don't need to use the anchors because I'm drilling right into the wood. It's going to stay right there. Going into drywall, you need to make sure that you are using the anchors to make sure that it stays in place. But pretty simple process. I'm me trying to find my extender and my drill, but very simple process that took me about 10-15 minutes. So as you can see here, use it with one hand. Kind of hard to do with the phone in my hand, but I'm able to do it with one hand. Attach it on the left and the right, which is wonderful. And then we have that cat gate, which we have 2 cats, so that's going to help out big time. And then once we have our baby and the baby's up and moving around, this will come in handy to make sure that the baby doesn't go down the stairs or anything like that. Thanks.